Hi guys, today I want to do an unboxing video. I just got my new hammock tent. Really looking forward to opening this package and see what's inside and how it looks. So let's get into it. A little bit tricky to do this holding the camera. Let's see. I just ordered this from Amazon. Took a couple of days to get it. And this is how it comes. This is how it looks. Okay, we're back. So, the Cozshack, as this was, I was wrong. It actually says, I was just reading it wrong here. It comes in this plastic bag. And then it comes in this, what do you call it, stuff sack, carry bag, which I think is the same material as the actual tent. It has a huge pamphlet, sort of setup instructions here inside the bag. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to pitching this tent. So, and inside of here, it's basically, yeah, there's something in here. So there's a strap around it. Let's see. Yeah, here's a bag of something. Yeah, seems to be a fairly good quality bag. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. So we have buckles for, yeah, tree straps basically, I guess. There are, yeah, so 2 buckles, a lot of whatever these are called, the cords, and then we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, seems to be 16 pegs. Light. Feels like fairly good quality pegs. So that's what's in the bag or in the box when you get a OneTigris Cozshack directly from Amazon. Yeah, I can't wait to pitch this tent. Let me bring you back when I found a good place to set it up. So guys, yeah, here we have a start of the setup. I'm using my homemade hammock stand, trying that out for the first time also, but yeah, it seems to be fairly good quality actually. So I've put the tree strap up here, so it's adjustable here, and as you can see, it's yeah, the stitching, you can tighten it here and so on, and then of course same in this end. Here you have so you can tighten it a little bit, and of course also on the tree strap, which is then also up here. And the carabiner was sitting on the tree straps, as you saw earlier when I unboxed it. So yeah, it looks, stitching and details looks good actually. Let me continue here a little bit and I'll bring you back. Yeah, so okay, we're slowly getting somewhere here, but I just wanted to show you a little bit of the details here. So you can see on the tie-out points here, you have sort of, so you can put poles, I guess, to make it easier to get the shape right, and also you can tighten and loosen here. and it's the materials here feels very good actually. And you also have these toggles for if you want to roll up the door later on. And then on the side down here you have to, if you want to have a pole, and then also towards the ground here, which would be then here. You have the side skirts and good space to peg it down, and also very sturdy stuff here. So yeah, let's see. So I've pegged it out or staked it out to the ground, and yeah, I'm realizing I'm losing daylight here fast, and it's going to take some sort of adjustment to get it right. And I think it's hard to set it up without having support poles here on the sides, like here. I think you need to have something here in order to support it. Like that. It's a little bit hard to show, because if I put this one to the ground, it will all come down. So I think that you're going to have like 1, 2, 3, 6 branches or something to support the walls when you peg out the guy lines. So that's a finding here. But yeah, it looks really promising. And I also saw here the vent here on the side. You have a vent, and you have this Velcro sort of hard thing, so you can sort of get it to stand out a bit so that you get the space for air to flow. Yeah, you have the windows. It's a bit hard to see now that it's not properly pegged out, but yeah, something like that. Let's see if I can open it and bring us inside without having these ones tied out. Bring you back in a sec. Noticing also here on the inside you have these things or toggles, or I guess that's for supporting if you want to roll up the whole side. But I'm also thinking that this could be very useful if you have the hammock set up here in the middle. It will take up a lot of the roomy space in here. But I'm assuming that you could sort of, during the daytime when you're not using your hammock, you could tie it out and sort of swing it to the side towards these, and then get a lot more of this space sort of freed up for daytime activity. At least that's what I'm thinking, because you don't have those toggles on this side towards the stove. There are no toggles here at all, but all around the other side there are these toggles. And there's also a zipper here to help you support if you want to roll up this side, or basically both sides. And I've seen pictures where you could basically back up your car into this side of the tent and just pull all of this side over the car, over the back of the car, and then you have access to the trunk space of the car if it's raining. Yeah, so yeah, inside looks promising, I have to say. Yeah, so guys, here's a really quick and dirty tie out with the guy lines. But yeah, I just wanted to show you a little bit of the volume that it has. And also this side has a vent with the same thing. And you see you have a lot of zippers here on toggles on the zipper. This is for, as you might know, for putting your hammock straps, tree straps in, so that they can sort of move with the strap, if it, depending on the height and so on, and if it moves in the wind. And then you have to pull it down or up here also. But yeah, let's come inside and see. So yeah, lots of space in here. Now I'm sitting at the far back corner. So yeah, if this comes up a bit, then yeah, it has a very new plasticky, not super pleasant smell, but I'm hoping that will go away with time. This is how the window looks. So it's sort of open in the upper end, just with Velcro. And you have zippers on the side, so you can take it down, and then there's the very fine bug mesh. So that looks promising actually. Then here's for the stove. So there's this fiberglass or whatever it is on the inside, and it's velcroed. Seems to be fairly well done. Let me go to the outside and see how it looks. Yeah, this is it from the outside. So you have toggles here on the bottom, and it's zippered somehow. No, it's not. It's just yeah, there are zippers here on the side, and the zipper on that side. And then you just roll it down, and then you can roll it up and toggle it. Here you have these ones on the inside, so you can just roll it up real nice. So this will be good for the water to go around, right? And then this is for your chimney, and you can replace this one. Super nice. No toggles for rolling this one up though, so that's a bit interesting. Have to figure that out. But yeah, that's the OneTigris Cozshack. Really nice first setup, right? But yeah, I wanted to bring this video out to you really fast, because I haven't seen much videos made with these ones yet, since they're so new on the market. So yeah, looks promising for the rest of the fall and the winter. Yeah, hope to see you later. I will definitely try this out later in the season. Thank you guys. Cheers. Bye.